In this video, I'll show you how to define intersections on a local road. First, I'll check my project data path and make sure that I've got the project data path set, and that's correct. Next, I'll go to the paving tab of the ribbon and go to set an alignment current. And this project has already been initialized, and our paving features that are currently defined are displaying right now. As you can see, we've got a couple of areas here where we're missing the paving model, and these are the two intersections we'll define on our alignment. So I'll start by zooming up to one of the intersections. Our alignment goes from left to right, so this is our right side R1 component. So we'll go to the intersections panel and go to define R1, and we'll pick 4 design markers, one at each of the curb or turn endpoints. That defines a intersection. And you can see we've got now flags with the IX prefix tag on it. So I'll do the same thing with the other intersection now and just choose the L1 component. Add L1, choose these 4 design markers. So now you've got the intersection defined, but we need to update all of the output. So when you share the data and the corridor model is rebuilt, that should fill in. We should be able to see it better from a rotated view. So let's go to a southeast isometric and then zoom up to those intersections. And I'll go to share current. The paving model has been exported now, and it's rebuilding the corridor model. So the new paving feature should generate the missing piece of the corridor model. And there we have it. Intersections. And here's the resulting output in the profile.